Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and today we are playing the game made in Unity, an indie game on itch.io called, well, it's meant to be like home, but it's hom and then a colon and E, and then apparently stands for Hands of Mercy Eidolon. So yeah, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. That's kind of reminds me of Wolfenstein at this point, but I don't think it's going to be like Wolfenstein. I've seen I'm looking at two screenshots of it right now. So it's described as a first-person horror escape game. Yeah, I'll leave a link in the description if you want to have a go. So let's get into this. The corruption has finally begun to take the house. It won't be long until the Eidolons. Right, they don't like. I'm just going to carry on. Kind of feels like Wolfenstein actually. It's a bit bobby. Controls. What is that? Yeah. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it does kind of feel like Wolfenstein in some ways. A little bit like Doom, it really does. I can see what we're trying to do here. Fair enough, yeah. So the door seems to open automatically, that's okay. Stairs there. Nothing in there. Okay. I'll open that. Let's go upstairs then. Let's go up. There's a lot of fog. I'll go through the gold doors. It looks like only the red doors I can go through. Gold and yellow. I'm kind of stumped already, if I'm honest. I'm kind of running around aimlessly thinking, where am I supposed to go? Perhaps I should have read the bit at the beginning. Try some of these other doors. Oh, key. Okay. Whoa! Okay, so... What was that? Oh, another key. Okay. Oh, right, okay, so that is apparently my weapon. Gonna get out! Let me out! No! Damn it! Alright. Oh, there we go. We're in the basement. We are in the basement. Okay, this is getting a little bit eerie now. Yeah, I can see the inspiration in this. It's really good, actually. I'm quite enjoying it. Not too bad. I'm not quite sure about the hand and the... I think I've run out of film. I think I have run out. I could do with some more. I'm just running around now trying to get steps. Okay. So, I think I've got a golden key, so I'm gonna head back this way. Oh! Alright, I'm gonna have another go at that. I'm gonna have another go. Okay, yeah, I think I know where I'm going, so I'm going to try that again. Unless it's randomised. If it's randomised, then I'm screwed. Oh, it's not randomised. There we go, camera. Okay, so, yeah, it makes sense now. That light is what doesn't light. So that's our opportunity to kind of run and get away with this. Yeah, okay. So, actually I think I saw a film somewhere there. I'm going to collect it. Or was it the key? Well, I got film. Key, there we are. There's the key. So let's get out of the basement. Could do like a score or some kind of timer. I think that might go down really nicely. Where is it? Where is it? There. Okay, bro. I'm running away. Away. This way. Steps. Yes. God, I'm getting good at this. That's the gold door. There. One of them at least. Is that the exit thing? Actually, I know, I'm sure there's another gold door, so I'm just going to check that. That's stone. Okay. Right, so I'm going to try and get the hell out of here now. I think if the demon thing pops up. Nope. I think I've done it. Have I done it? I've done it! Oh yeah! Oh god, that's loud! Oh. Alright, wow. Okay, well, that was kind of short, but that wasn't too bad actually. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, give it a thumbs down if you didn't, but let me know in the comments why you didn't like it. That was intriguing. I got the hang of it in the end. It is kind of a little bit reminiscent of, like I say, like those old games like Wolfenstein, Doom, like I suppose Quake as well in some way. But yeah, that was kind of fun. So that was Hands of Mercy Eidolon. I've been Jimmy Vegas, and guys, thank you very much for watching.